Hi, in this video, we will try to understand the benefit and potential of PPC programs using a very simple example. We will see as to how we can attract quality traffic on our website, blog, or let's say an affiliate link in the shortest possible time. Remember, even if we are making the best of the website or have written a best of the blog, it is not beneficial unless and until we get some quality traffic on the same. Now to understand this tutorial and the benefit of pay per click programs and how they can get us quality traffic, we will take a reference of a pay per click program that is also called as a PPC program, which is managed by Microsoft in association with Yahoo Search. It is called as adcenter.microsoft.com is the URL, and it is called as Microsoft Ad Center PPC program. Also, we will take a reference site on which we want to attract quality traffic in the shortest possible time. Let's take a website onlinejobsjunction.com. This is the website onlinejobsjunction.com, which is promoting some internet based work at home programs. Now to attract traffic on the same, though I can use free methods and especially try to make it popular on search engine rankings to get a good amount of quality traffic, but it might take some time. Let's directly go and see a search engine and how this website is doing on a search engine ranking. Now, as you can see, this onlinejobsjunction.com is a website related with the online jobs. So obviously, I want, if a user is going on the Yahoo search or let's say Bing search or say let's say Google search, my result should appear while he types something like work at home program, part-time jobs, online jobs. So especially I'm promoting this within India. So let's say if a user comes and types online jobs in India, let's see what comes. Now you can see some 286,000,000 results, and these are some sponsor ads that I will be telling you. Now these are the free listings. Now you can see my website is nowhere over here, not even the second page, not even the third page, fourth page. Let's go on to the fifth page. Now over here you can see the website onlinejobsjunction.com. In a Yahoo search it is coming somewhere at the fifth position. Now the probability of a user coming onto this particular website by searching in the keyword online jobs in India is quite less. Mostly 90% of the users just see the results in the first page itself. The same is the case with Microsoft search result. Again I am coming somewhere in the fifth position. Now let's say what happens in Google. Let's say I type in online jobs. Now it is showing some 276,000, so many millions of results, and let me show you, let me change the location, let me put India over here. Now you can see this particular website of mine onlinejobsjunction.com is coming on a fourth ranking, first, second, third, fourth in the search engine results. Means out of this millions of pages, my website has been ranked fourth by the Google search result. Now this is a reasonably okay achievement, but it has taken time. This ranking has not come to this position overnight. Now let's say if I want to, if this is a, let's assume this is a free website and I want users to immediately come and see what my website is about, and I want to immediately attract quality traffic. Means if somebody is searching for online jobs or let's say jobs at home, work at home, my ad should appear. Okay. For that I will be using sponsored results. These sponsored results are basically the results coming from the PPC programs, over where we can place our advertisement and we can specify a particular keywords. Okay, if a particular user clicks on types in that particular keyword, let's say online jobs in India, my ad should come. So let's see briefly how this can be done. Now I have made a Microsoft Ad Center account for this particular website onlinejobsjunction.com, and I have also made a couple of ads for the same. Easy earn money online, earn extra cash, part-time online jobs, long-term income on global MNCs, reputed work, start at rupees 1250 only, onlinejobsjunction.com. Now I have defined some keywords. Okay, so these are the keywords on which I want that the search engine should throw my website to users. Okay, if somebody is typing for cars, I don't want my web page to appear. Okay, so I have defined some keywords as my website is related to online jobs, jobs part-time, online jobs, earn money online, online jobs, online jobs in India, words like this. Now let's say currently I have made this, put this campaign on pause, and I don't see any results on when I type in online jobs in India. My website is not appearing. It is only coming in as a free listing on the 5th page. The probability of which getting a traffic is a little bit less. So let's say I make this campaign active. Now let's see what happens. Now let's say after making this particular campaign active, I again go to Google Yahoo search and type in the keyword online jobs in India. Let's see what we get. Now can you see? Part-time online jobs, long-term income on global MNCs, reputed work, start at rupees 1250, online job junction. So among so many results, my ad is appearing now on the 3rd position. Okay, let's see what happens in Bing, that is by Microsoft. You can see part-time online jobs. So while I am using Microsoft Ad Center, Yahoo has done a tie-up with the Microsoft Ad Center. So my search results will be showing on Yahoo search engine as well as on Bing. Now let's see, if I click the same thing, online jobs in India, it won't come over here because Google has a different PPC program. So don't get confused that it will come on all the search engines. So as I am running a ad center program that is being managed by Microsoft, so my ads will appear on Yahoo search engine and on Microsoft Bing. Okay, now how do I pay and how much I pay for this particular ad to come over here? Unless and until a visitor does not clicks on this ad, Yahoo won't charge me. That is the best thing about PPC programs. The ad is displayed absolutely for free. You don't have to pay anything for showing this ad. Let's say if a user is coming typing online jobs in India and he clicks on this particular ad, or let's say he clicks on something over here, you don't have to pay anything. Yahoo won't be charging. Only when a user comes and clicking on this particular ad, let's see what happens. This website opens, onlinejobsjunction.com. So Microsoft charge me only when he gets a visitor onto my website. Otherwise he won't charge me. Now it is up to us as to how to design our website, how to plan our strategy so that this particular visitor we can convert into a customer or we can convert into a lead. So this is the main benefit of PPC programs in the shortest possible time. Means I have just made my website. Even if you have made your website 5 minutes back, you can get into the top of the search engine ranking by paying a very reasonable amount. So this concludes our tutorial on the concept, or let's say the benefit of PPC programs and how they can be very helpful to us in getting a quality traffic on our website. Quality means the traffic that I am looking for. If somebody is looking for buy car, my ad won't come. Okay, my ad will come only when somebody is looking for online jobs or part-time jobs, because I have placed those keywords. See, so the particular keywords that I am going to place will be taken into the consideration along with the content of my website. So that is the main benefit of PPC programs. I can get quality traffic at the shortest possible time. I don't have to pay anything to show my ads to the world, and I have to pay only when somebody clicks on the ad and come to my website. I hope the benefit of PPC program is very much clear to you with the help of this particular tutorial.